This one goes out to that guy over there.
Ti amo.
Yeah, we're from Philadelphia. I don't know if there's any Philadelphians out there or not. I don't know if there's any Eagles fans out there.
Yeah.
All right, well, we didn't plan on doing this. We're gonna do this one for the Eagles anyway. For a Eagles victory tomorrow. It's easy sometimes when you just coast along. Like it or not, something always seems to go wrong. Sometimes people build you up just so they can knock you down. Sometimes they will have you there because they need someone around. Perhaps you'll receive invitations for tea. Maybe you'll laugh and you'll make them all smile. Maybe they'll join you because it had to be. Perhaps you'll forget what you forgot for a while. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. 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 They dance in a curly Q dance, pulses and ringing in campfire chants, ritual drumming, though at first glance thought you could run, but you won't take a chance. That's not an experience if they can't bring someone along. They hang on emotions they bottle inside, pick at the ground and they strut out of stride. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. 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 For the Eagles on Sunday.